In 2018, India was at risk of the biggest data breaches in the world. 1.3 billion records of sensitive Indian citizen information. It raises critical questions on who handles the data, how is it encrypted, how is it secured, and most importantly, how do we build trust on the systems? The answer lies in robust data governance. What is data governance? Stronger encryption on the data to protect sensitive information, robust audit trails to make sure that who is accessing what data, and role-based management system to set up boundaries to what the data can be accessed. The lesson here is very simple. Data governance isn't just compliance. It is reducing risks, maintaining the strength of the company, and protecting the sensitive information in every transaction. In the data driven world, protecting data isn't just optional, it is essential. Consult Data Infra to know more about this.